Homemade recipes for dark spots on the skin. Excessive sun exposure, use of deodorants or certain products, lack of exfoliation, and these are some of the causes of dark spots on the skin. Common areas for them are the armpits, elbows and knees. In this article, we'll give you some home recipes that can help to reduce them. Treating dark spots on the skin. Your skin can darken and have an ugly appearance for many different reasons. Melasma is a condition caused by an increase in the production of melanin at the cellular level. In addition to being caused by our daily habits, sun exposure, deodorant, shaving or lack of exfoliation, it can also be caused by pregnancy, genetics or simply aging. The good news is that there are various home treatments that can be very useful. Take advantage of Mother Nature's benefits. 1. Aloe vera. Every home should have this plant. After all, it has multiple medicinal properties to help take care of your skin. It can help to treat burns, wounds, and bites, and, of course, even dark spots. It's very simple. Cut the aloe vera leaf and then open it horizontally. Be careful not to prick yourself. Remove the gel from the inside and apply it to previously washed skin. Don't rinse. It's better if you leave it to work overnight. Repeat daily. 2. Lemon juice. It's very important that you do these dark spot treatments at night. This is because if the lemon's acids come in contact with the sun, it will cause an adverse effect. Before going to bed, squeeze the juice from this citrus fruit into a glass, use it to moisten a cotton ball and rub it over the areas that you want to whiten. In the morning, rinse with cold water and apply a hydrating cream. Use this procedure 3 times a week. 3. Milk. This is another food that helps your skin if you use it on a regular basis. It's used in the same way as the lemon juice. It should be room temperature or cold, just taken out of the fridge. Apply using a cotton ball and let it be absorbed without rinsing. The milk's enzymes work to reduce the dark spots on the skin. 4. Plantain. This herb, often used in teas, can be an excellent home remedy for melasma. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 250 grams. 2 tablespoons of plantain, 20 grams. Preparation: put the water in a pan and heat. When it begins to boil, add the plantain and cook for 5 minutes. Turn off the flame, cover, and let chill. When it reaches room temperature, filter. Apply the liquid, using a cotton ball, to the dark areas. Repeat every day in the mornings and afternoons. Don't rinse. Five, onion juice. Onion juice is ideal for eliminating dark spots under your arms, for example. Be careful and check that the zone is not irritated, because this home remedy can burn a bit. The only thing that you need is a small, purple onion. Crush it with a mortar or in a food processor until you have a paste. Apply before going to bed and let sit for 10 minutes. Rinse with a lot of water. 6. Kami yogurt. It works similarly to milk, but in this case, it can work as a mask because of its consistency. Plus, if it's mixed with grated carrots, the result will be even more efficient. Ingredients: 1 container of yogurt, 200 grams. 1 carrot. Preparation: peel and grate the carrot. Put in the blender and add the yogurt. Mix well until you have a homogeneous cream. Apply to the dark spots. Let sit for 15 minutes and then rinse with cold water. Repeat treatment 3 times a week. 7. Comfrey. Comfrey is another plant that can help to eliminate those terrible spots caused by wax hair removal, perspiration, or hours exposed to the sun. Ingredients: 10 tablespoons of comfrey, 100 grams. 10 tablespoons of olive oil, 200 grams. Preparation: add the olive oil and comfrey to a pot. Cook at bain-marie, 1 container with water over the flame and another inside of that a pot with the ingredients, for 10 minutes. Let sit for 20 minutes and filter into an opaque glass jar. When it reaches room temperature, apply to the previously cleaned area with dark spots using a cotton ball. Repeat 2 times a day for at least 1 week. 8. Cucumber. This is another ingredient that has to be on your skincare list. Cucumber is made up of water, natural oils and vitamin E, that is why it is recommended for skin care. To take advantage of its benefits, you just need to peel the cucumber, cut it into slices and get rid of the seeds. Then, put it in the blender and apply it as a mask to the area that you want to lighten. Let sit for 20 minutes and then rinse with warm water. Once finished, apply a hydrating cream. 9. Kami sugar. Lastly, this is a homemade exfoliant that can help to remove spots. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of sugar, 40 grams. 1 tablespoon of water, 10 grams. Preparation: mix the sugar with the water until you have a grainy paste, add more water if necessary. Apply to the skin using a circular motion. Rinse with warm water.